Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually make money using Claude in 2026. Not theory, but real practical methods you can start even as a beginner. By the end of this walkthrough, you will understand multiple income streams, how to set them up, and how to scale them into consistent revenue. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what Claude AI is good at. Before making money, you need to know what Claude excels. Claude shines when for writing content, coding and automation, research and summaries, idea generation, customer support scripts, business workflows. Your goal is simple. Use Claude to save time or create value. Then sell that value. Step 2. Freelancing with AI. Fastest way to start. This is the easiest way to make your first money. You can offer services like blog writing, product descriptions, email copywriting, social media captions, script writing for YouTube. Use Claude to generate content, then refine it. So, where can I sell it if I chose one of these one of these niches? You can sell it on Fiverr or Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Example, you can type client wants 10 product descriptions. You generate with Claude, edit, deliver, get paid. Okay? Step 3, sell digital products. Claude can help you create digital products that fast. Examples, ebooks, guides, templates, AI prompt hacks, packs, Notion systems. You can sell them on places like Gumroad, Etsy, right? Example workflow, you can ask Claude, right, to generate an ebook outline. Expand each section, edit in format, and export as PDF, upload it and sell. Okay, this can become a passive income. Step 4, YouTube automation with Claude. You can build a faceless YouTube channel using Claude. Claude helps with script writing, video ideas, SEO, titles, descriptions. Combined with AI voice tools, right, and video editors. Combined with AI voice tools, video editors, post consistently and monetize through ads, affiliate links, digital products. Step 5, affiliate marketing. Claude can generate blog posts, product reviews, comparison articles, email funnels. Again, guys, if you want to know how to do it, you could just ask the Claude to generate a blog post about something, right? Product review about this product, right? Comparison articles, right, between this article and that article. Email funnels. You promote products and earn commissions. Example, write articles like best AI tools for business 2026. Right? Add affiliate links and earn per sale. Step 6, build AI powered services. You can offer specialized services using Claude. Examples, resume writing, business plans, content calendars, SEO audits. Instead of doing everything manually, Claude speeds up the process. You deliver faster, earn more. Okay. Step 7, create and sell online courses. Use Claude to build courses, like generate course outline, create lesson scripts, write slides or notes, record content. Sell on Gumroad, your own website, or learning platforms. If you don't know how, just go ahead to the products and hit new product here. Okay? Courses are high profit digital products. Step 8, start a blog or niche website. Claude can help you write SEO articles, generate ideas, optimize content. Monetization methods, ads through affiliate marketing or through a digital product. Over time, this becomes passive traffic and income. Step 9, build simple apps or tools. If you have basic coding skills, Claude can help you generate code, fix bugs, build tools. Example, AI writing tools, calculators, niche SaaS apps, and you can monetize via subscriptions or freemium plans and scale with automation. Once you find something that works, batch content creation, automate workflows, outsource repetitive tasks, focus on growth. Claude helps you scale faster with less effort. All right. If you want to focus on what's working right now, AI content agencies, YouTube automation, digital product bundles, affiliate blogs, AI SaaS tools. These have the highest earning potential. Avoid pasting AI content without editing, choosing saturated niches without angle, not marketing your work, expecting instant results, not building systems. Success comes from execution and consistency. So if you're starting from zero, follow this. Pick one method, freelancing on digital products. Use Claude to create your first asset, sell it on a platform, promote it daily, improve and scale. Focus on one path first. Don't try everything at once. Making money with Claude in 2026 is not about the tool itself. It's about how you use it to create value. Whether you are freelancing, building content, or launching digital products, Claude can dramatically speed up your workflow and help you earn online. This opportunity is huge right now. Right? The opportunity is huge right now, especially for beginners who are willing to take action. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.